OMNI Station is the first Ecovacs OMNI Station to offer auto empty, auto clean and auto water refill, as well as hot air drying. Connect the power cord to the station. Place the station against a wall on a hard floor, not carpet or rug, with at least 0.5 meters on each side and 1.5 meters in the front of the station. Plug in the power cord. The station's panel has 3 buttons: station cleaning, when the DEEBOT is out of the station; start, pause the DEEBOT, and move the DEEBOT in, out of the station. Open the station lid and remove the clean water tank. Add water to the max level and place back into the station. OMNI Station automatically empties collected dirt. Every time DEEBOT finishes cleaning, it will automatically empty the dust bin when it returns. If the station detects that the dust bag is full, the app will remind you to change it. Press the pop-up button under Dust Container, release the dust bag bin, flip up the dust bag clip, remove the dust bag, and replace it with a new one. In mopping mode, as the DEEBOT cleans, it will return to the cleaning station periodically to clean the mopping pads. Tap the self-cleaning button to automatically fill the cleaning sink with water. Clean the sink with the brush. The wastewater is automatically pumped into the wastewater tank. To prevent accidental operation of the control panel, press and hold the left and right buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds.
Child lock is already on.
Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings.